Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant. I'm going to do a little bit of workplace improvement where I have my welding table on my back patio and I'm going to build some shelves. I have this strut from another project I'm going to take off, and I'm going to put it up on this wall I put up. I put up this 2 sheets of T111 to block my little workspace from rain and wind. So I'm going to put a strut here and a strut here, and I think I'll do 4 1 foot by 4 foot shelves. I have this piece of 4 foot by 4 foot plywood, and I think I'll make some 4 shelves out of that. And that should allow me to put a lot of my stuff up, get it out of the way. All right, so let's get started. All right, so since I want to do 4 foot shelves, I'm going to mark off 4 feet up here. And I think I want the shelf to come in maybe 6 inches, or start 6 inches from the side. Make a mark there, and I'll mark there. All right. Engineering on the fly, design on the fly. Hope you can see me. Whatever. All right, so I gotta figure out what kind of bits and pieces I have to build the shelf with. I might not have everything I need to do multiple shelves, but I can probably get that first one done so the welder is up off the ground. So let's go scavenge some more parts. I think I'm just going to basically fab it in place. Okay, let me figure out how much space I want off this. What do you think? 16 inches? That's probably good. So 16 inches puts that about 8.5. Don't have to be exact, just pretty close. Let's find some bits here. And these are big enough, I don't think I need washers. All right, for those of you who don't necessarily know how strut works, let me show you. So you have a bolt, goes through a, like at this little angle, And you got these grooves here, and these grooves line up with the underside of this so it catches. So what you do is you get this started. You can slip this in, start tightening it up, and it will catch. Let's see what I do with that. So you can just put it in there, tighten it up, and that's a pretty solid connection right there. It's really Tinker Toys for adults, or Tinker Toys for industry, should I say. All right. So what I'm going to do is set this in here kind of at that mark that I'm looking for. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to build the shelf this way. Ideally you want it this way or this way, because that's where most of your strength is, but I'm actually not going to be supporting much. And with the brackets I have, really the only way I can build it is with it on its side. And that'll work. It'll work just fine that way. Okay, so I have been using 3/4 inch, and I found some 9/16 in my bin of junk. So I guess I'll be switching to some 9/16. Hopefully I get enough to finish this shelf. This looks like it's 14 inches. 15 inches will do. Inches. It's not really, all those screws aren't really needed, but it stiffens it up a little bit. Alright, so there's the welder on the shelf, and it's over the table, and what's nice is I can reach with the welder, the gun, everywhere I need to. So that's gonna work out great. I do have to get some more hardware so I can put in more shelves up higher to store things. But this is a good start. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't, please subscribe and like or dislike, leave a comment, leave a question, share any experiences you have or any thoughts that you have about what I did. I'd appreciate it. And support your friends and family who have YouTube channels. Go ahead and subscribe to their channels. And all the small YouTube creators need the help, and we truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all later. Peace out.